Okay guys, so now we're going to give tutorial how to use the Nespresso machine. So this is the Nespresso machine, guys, right? All right, so first we have to put the water inside. Okay, we have the water here. Let's refill. Okay, after that, let's put it aside, close it. Oh, it's not really hooked, just like this. Okay, and then it's already on. Okay, so and then this is the capsule, guys. I think you just put this one like this. Is it okay? Okay, and then you press this. All right, and then you press the button or the single or double. I think just make it single, huh? Okay, guys, it's blinking. Wait, why is it blinking, guys? Wait, guys. Okay, we try to continue, guys. It's already on now. Okay, we press this one. See? Oh, the glass. One. Oh, almost. Oh, it's coming out, guys. Look, Cha. I press the single. Guys, so it's so like espresso.
Chocolate first.
What chocolate? Okay. All right, that's it, guys. So that's how to use the Nespresso machine here. So that's how the tutorial. All right, guys. So thank you. See you in the next tutorial, guys. Bye.